My concoction: pizza dough, brushed with olive oil and garlic butter, with feta cheese and pizza spices. Yummy. Well, it started to rain today, and down near the work, it rained and rained like a son of a gun. It was blowing, windy, blowing rain sideways. It was just outrageous. You couldn't see 10 feet in front of you. It was really awful. About the time we got off work, we drove home. I begged Brian, please drive better. Please. I would rather die in my sleep or from a noble cause, not in a car wreck. So he did tone it down. And as we got home, we got into the subdivision. It wasn't raining up here like it was down 40-minute drive the other halfway across the county. Excuse me, I was burping. Sorry. How rude. And we have a main street into the subdivision, and it's very busy, and people travel very quickly on this particular street. And there were these kids setting fireworks off in the middle of the street, Roman candles with balls that shoot up in the sky and stuff. We had to stop and wait for that thing to finish. But, are you kidding me? And it rained a little bit. I don't think it did too much up here. But it is cooler, which is nice. Tomorrow I'm back to doing stuff in the basement. I have a list now. I made myself a list. I have a grocery list and a to-do list. And hopefully I can get something done. It's supposed to rain again tomorrow, so I will probably be doing my to-do list in the house. That's about it for today. Hopefully something more exciting will happen. And I do have 2 or 3 or 4 pictures of the place. If I can figure out if this machine will take it. If the computers don't all die, like the hoax or the scam or the scare or whatever it is, maybe it's true. So if it happens tomorrow, then I guess I won't be online. But if it doesn't, then you'll see me tomorrow. Upward and onward.